In our bodies, we have a complex system of chemicals and reactions that help keep everything functioning properly. One important concept in this system is pH. In this brief video, we are going to take a look at acids, bases, and pH. Acids and bases. Acids are substances that release hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. An example of acid in our bodies is stomach acid, which helps us digest food. Bases are substances that release hydroxide ions when dissolved in water, or they can accept hydrogen ions. Bases can help neutralize acids. For example, the bicarbonate ion in our blood acts as a buffer, helping to keep our blood pH stable. What is pH? pH is a measure of how acidic or basic a solution is. It goes from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Solutions with a pH below 7 are acidic. The lower the pH, the more acidic the solution is. Solutions with a pH above 7 are basic, also called alkaline. The higher the pH, the more basic the solution is. Why is pH important in the body? Our bodies are very sensitive to changes in pH. Many chemical reactions in our cells and tissues can only happen within a certain pH range. For example, enzymes, agents that help speed up chemical reactions in our bodies, have specific pH levels at which they work best. If the pH is too high or too low, these enzymes may not work properly, and our bodies can't function the way they should. Maintaining acid-base balance. Our bodies have several ways to regulate acid-base balance. These include breathing, which helps us get rid of carbon dioxide, a waste product that can make our blood more acidic. Our kidneys also play a role by filtering out acids and bases and adjusting the levels of bicarbonate in our blood.